Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarcicles TV. You have me, Mark, and welcome to this nice and warm. I wish it was a bit windy Monday. Yeah. So what we have here is we're gonna listen and react to the group Lola Amor and Al James perform the song Madali. Madali can mean two things depending on how you use it in a sentence. Madali can mean easy, or if you read it as madali, or easy is like madali, madali, and then madali is to rush or to double time. Yeah, yeah. So the it says here the track, which marks the second time the two acts have collaborated. So it means so these are two separate artists. So Lola Amor is a band. So Al James, I assume, is a singer or maybe a rapper. So it's a reminder. So the song is a reminder for listeners to slow down and enjoy the things in life. So let's see how it goes. But before we do that, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In three, two, one.
One, two, three, and
Wish 1075.
kailangan bang magmadali? Kahit pa man agad ka nang makakarating, kulang-kulang naman ang mga sandali. Sandali, sandali. Kapit ka lang dyan, darating rin yan. Pagod ka na ba? Kasi pagod na ako makipag-unahan sa iba't ibang tao. Pagod ka na ba? Kasi pagod na ako. Pahinga lang naman, tutuloy pa rin tayo. Kailangan bang magmadali? Kahit pa man agad ka nang makakarating, kulang-kulang naman ang mga sandali. Sandali, sandali.
Yeah. Shit. Di na balik matagal ang biyahe basta solid. Kayod 24 parang Kobe. Makipagpagalingan ba ay no need? Dahan-dahan lang at sobrang low-key. Kang magka-trophy, yeah, yeah. Matarik pa palang lalakarin, makakarating din dyan. Paraiso pagka nakamit natin, sabik na ako matikman. Walang money laging kapalit ba haghari? Ba't ba nagmamadali o pwede bang huminga malalim at relax ka lang? Langhapin ang sariwang hangin, huwag mo nang isipin mahirap o kailan kaya. Dahan-dahanin mo lang araw-araw, di madali. Huminga malalim at relax ka lang. Langhapin ang sariwang hangin, huwag mo nang isipin mahirap o kailan kaya. Dahan-dahanin mo lang araw-araw, di madali.
Kailangan bang magmadali? Kahit pa man agad ka nang makakarating, sa liwanag ng ilaw. Tama na bakit ba kahit pa hanggang ngayon iniisip ang problema nang wala sa panahon. Tulala na lang ba ako habang buhay nakakulong? Kaya ko nga naman tinatanong, kailangan bang magmadali? Kahit pa managad ka na makakarating, kulang-kulang naman ang mga sandali. Sandali, sandali.
Hi, Wishers! We are Lola Amor.
This is Al James. For more Wish Exclusive videos.
And that is the end of the song. Wow. So Lola Moore has quite the lineup. So they are a seven-piece group. So two wind sections, a keyboardist, so wind sections, trombone, and sax, a bass, two guitars, including the vocals, and a drummer. Wow. So what do I like? So first of all, I like the bass intro. So it's very cool sound, and also his slap and pop. And also, during the intro, as the bass was playing his plucking, that intro thing, one of the guitars was doing an octave. So what I noticed about Lola Amor, maybe it's just for this song, maybe it's their correct distinction. Pretty much, I think they are operating on a clean tone. Correct me if I'm wrong. For those who know the band. So it's nothing bad about that. But it shows really like how do we like if someone is like very simplistic. I think there's a more better word. Someone who's very into the pureness of things. So they don't really attach things. But again, maybe I'm mistaken. But very cool approach. But if I were but if it were my song, I'm not a purist guy. So I'd probably add some magic there. Maybe a phaser, or maybe something that would add like those rainbow bright unicorn sound, like chuku 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 chuku, ding, 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 just to make it a bit magical. But again, because there is a presence of wind section, I think they are the ones that does that rainbow sprinkle into the song. Very cool setup, by the way. So I mentioned earlier, madali can mean one of two things. Either when it means you're rushing, madali, or madali meaning easy. But this one, yeah, I realize. I think the description is a giveaway, to slow down. So that means madali here means to rush. So as the chorus suggested, kailangan bang madali? Kailangan is need, bang means does, uh, madali is rush. So does it need to be rushed? And then the vocals, it also said sandali. Sandali meaning hold on, or wait a second, yeah, or chill. Yeah, that's what sandali means. Just to take a pause, take a breather or something. Now, apart from the cool music, slap and pop, the wind section, what another thing I like is their collaboration. So this is the second collaboration, which means the first one, which I haven't I haven't had the chance to listen and react to, would have been a success. And I can see based on the first song what makes the collaboration a good thing for both uh, Ivan, was that Ivan or Al? Sorry, Al, for Al and Lola Amor. The vocals has quite the Lola Amor's vocals has quite the high register. Not like diva high, not like whistle note high, but it's more on the crisp high side, while Al James is on more on the bass and then rap style side. So you can see where I'm going. I like the part during the second verse when it was Al doing the second verse in rap fashion, and you can hear the Lola Amor's vocals doing the backing with his bright voice. So you can see it's like a combination of salt and pepper. You know, it really makes your food. It really makes the music like audibly edible. Yeah, if if I make if that makes sense. So very again very cool collaboration, and I find their music like witty, smart, kind of nerdy in a good way. So keep it coming. Let me know what you think. And if you have anything for me, leave it in the comments. By the way, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Star TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.